Okay, so this is going to be the demo on how to create a grid in Krita and also import images into it. So you're going to click on Krita, which is this cool little icon with a paintbrush. It's going to give you this loading screen. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is click on New File. Then you're going to change it to predefined US letter. Then you're going to change this from pixels to inches, just like that. And we're going to change both of these values to 3. So then we'll have a 3 by 3. And you just click Create, and your view is going to look like this. What you'll do first is go to click on View and then go to Show Rulers. And once you've got that made, you're going to basically, this is just going to help us align our grid. So you've got a new layer already here, so make sure to work on this layer here. You're going to select the line tool, and you can size up and size down your line tool just by clicking the brackets and go down to like 6 pixels. You can also drag it here, so we'll just default to 5. And it's okay if it's 5 and some change. That's fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down. You see this little like line is kind of moving around here on the left near the ruler. You're going to go down to 300, and you're going to click on your canvas and then hold down Shift and drag a line across. Now it may not be set on black, and if it's not, what you'll need to do is right click and just take the slider wherever it is and drag it down to black. So continuing on, I'm going to come down here to 600. I'm going to pull my crosshair into the canvas, and I'm just going to make another line straight across. I'm going to go to 300 up here at the top, and just I'm going to click on the canvas here, drag a line straight down, then grab this slider bar, go back up to the front, and the mouse wheel will zoom in and out incidentally. And then I'm just going to take this and do the same thing here at 600, drag a line straight down holding Shift, and that's going to give us nice straight lines. So now I've got that, I'm going to go back to my background. Now I'm going to go back to Google search here. I've got some images here, so I'm going to find one that I like that's got nice values. This is cool. I'm going to right click and copy. Then I'm going to go back to Krita and make sure I'm on the background, and then I'm just going to hit Edit, Paste. Now it's going to say download from remote source. Just tell it to paste as a bitmap, that's fine. And then just hit remember and hit OK, and then have it used as web and click remember and hit OK. This way you're not having to do it every time. And you're going to grab this tool here, which is a scaling tool, and you are going to hold down Shift and scale your eye so it's nice and large in the frame. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to make some more. So I'm going to click this little button here to create a new layer. Go back to my Google search, find a different eye, probably from a different angle maybe. I kind of like, some of these are really gross. Yeah, I like this one here. Even though it's 2, I'm just going to zoom in. Oh, there we go. Right click, copy that image. And then I'm going to go back, and now that I'm on a new layer, I'm just going to paste it, and I'm just going to click this eyeball next to the eyeball to hide it, and I'm going to use my size tool once again. Nice thing about copy paste function in Krita is it automatically generates a new layer for you. So I'm just going to make this nice and large and hit enter to finalize it. All right, so now how do I get this to a point where I can print it? Basically what I'm going to do is I've got this layer shown here. So what I would do is go to this top layer, right click and flatten the image, and it's okay, just click yes, and then we are going to go to select and all, edit and copy, and then we are going to go to a document, and then you can edit and paste. And see, now it's coming here, it's pretty large, so I'm actually going to shrink it down some. So I can preferably fit 2 eyes on one page. So there we are, there we have that one, and then I'm just going to hit enter to go down to the next line. So going back to Krita. Now I'm going to edit, undo, and basically just keep undoing until I get back to where I can see all my layers again. I'm going to hide this layer, and I'm going to unhide that one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to right-click this, tell it to flatten image, and I'm going to select all, and then Control-C to copy, or you can use Edit Copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, and Control-V to paste it. Now it's going to automatically take it to the next page. Once we size it down, it'll pop back onto that same page. Then you just click out here and hit enter, enter, enter. Once again, we are looking for 4 eyes, 4 noses, and 4 mouths.